back to Angie's Table. Today we are going to be making a 3-way Korean panchan, aka side dish recipe. So I wanted to pick a couple of panchan recipes that I think are more popular and some of the things that I just really like. So the first one we're going to be making is a mini sausage and vegetable stir fry. I feel like this is really good for kids. If you want to try and sneak in a couple vegetables, Grace and I like this growing up too. And the second one we're going to be making is a cucumber salad, and we're going to be cutting up these mini cucumbers into an accordion shape. I know this is really viral on TikTok and I'm late to the game, but I wanted to make a change in the sauce and make it more Korean style. Last but not least, we have braised potatoes. And let me tell you, when I go to a restaurant and they have this, I'm literally picking at it the whole time. So we get like 3 or 4 refills on it. It's so good, it's savory. I'm gonna be putting a little bit of a twist to it. So let's go and check out these ingredients. So we're gonna be starting off with the sausage panchan, and normally I feel like Koreans use Vienna sausage, but I really don't like Vienna sausage.
This one I specifically got Berkshire pork.
Oh, okay, I don't know what that means.
Smoky and...
Oh, it does smell smoky. Yeah. Let's cut this up and we're gonna cut scorings on it. So make diagonal cuts on this. Ella woke up from her nap, so she's also going to be joining us. So excuse the Ella cooings and screamings that she does these days. Ella, are you okay? Oh, are you not? I'm going to boil some water over here to blanch it so that we can kill off any bacteria or unwanted particles. Yeah, I think we can see some of the oils and particles rising up to the top. Drain it. Let's prep our veggies. Let's cut these into cube pieces about bite size. And cut these into about the same shape and size as the onions. In a small bowl, let's combine ketchup, oyster sauce. Oh my god, Ella. Cooking wine, corn syrup, and minced garlic. I almost forgot. Let's add some black pepper in. Close call. So we have our fry pan on high heat, drizzle some olive oil, add our sausages in. Stir fry this for about a minute. Now lower the heat to medium and we're gonna add in our vegetables and stir fry all of this together for about 2 to 3 minutes. For this recipe, I don't like it when the vegetables are too mushy and too overcooked. I kinda like it when it still has its crunch to it. So we aren't gonna be cooking this for long. Now add in the sauce. And saute this for about 3 more minutes. To move on to our cucumber panchan. I got these mini ones at Costco. So we are going to make an accordion cut. In order to make an accordion cut, we need chopsticks. We're gonna place cucumber between the 2 chopsticks, and on one side we're gonna cut at a 45-degree angle, so it's a diagonal shape. And once we finish that, we're gonna flip the cucumber over to the other side and cut it at a straight 90-degree angle, so just a linear line, not diagonal. When you try pulling on it after you're done cutting, it does this accordion shape, kind of like a spring-like cut.
Like a slinky?
Like a slinky,
like
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we're using a lot of mini everythings, like the sausages and the cucumber,
kind of similar,
I realized.
too.
Yeah. Now we'll incorporate all ingredients to make the sauce. Now we add this to our cucumbers. Give this a mix and we are done.
That looks so good.
Before we move on to the next side dish, do you guys know what it's time for?
Please remain seated.
Today's word of the day is 눈, which can mean either eye or snow. And
Which eye?
Which eye? Like left or right?
Like eye, probably.
Oh, eyes. We decided to use this word because Grace's area is so bad at cleaning snow. It is so icy. So excuse the noise if you hear the salt truck going around salting the area. It's loud, but it's something that is a must because it's really slippery out there right now. Korean words have a lot of double meanings. So it can be one word, but they have two different meanings for it.
What's another one?
I can't think of any off the top of my mind. Today's word of the day is 눈, which means eyes or snow. And last but not least, our Korean braised potatoes. You can use either Idaho or russet potatoes. If your potatoes are about this size, we'll need about 3, but if they're any bigger, then just 2 is fine. Now let's make our sauce. We're gonna combine all these ingredients together. Soy sauce. So my tip for this is using a little bit of hondashi, which is a bonito soup stock. So this really deepens the flavor. It not only creates a slightly sweeter taste, but it's very deep in flavor. Corn syrup. Give this a good mix.
Drain.
And the sauce. We're going to continue stirring this on medium-low and continue to simmer this until the sauce thickens and the potatoes are fully cooked.
That looks so good.
It's slowly thickening. I don't know if you can tell.
Yeah.
Okay, the potatoes are cooked and the sauce is very thick. Let's give this a try. What do you want to start off with? The cucumber?
Yeah.
Should we just go shook?
Yeah.
Like that? Ooh, it kind of looks like caterpillars. Mmm.
Oh, the texture's fun.
Because it's all like broken up, like cut.
Yeah, it's interesting.
And because they're all cut, the sauce really just goes in and seeps in well, so that it's well marinated.
Awesome.
Yeah, you can reach it. Mmm.
Mmm. Oh, sauce is really good.
Mmm. The sausage is very smoked. The veggies are good too. The sauce is light and it's actually not too like ketchup-y.
Yeah, it's not really sweet.
We're going through this really fast, Grace.
I'm really hungry.
Do you taste that like hondashi a little
Yeah,
bit?
I think I like it.
Yeah. It adds a little bit of something as opposed to it being very bland from just sugar and soy sauce.
It's definitely a good deep flavor.
Yeah, yeah. I feel like everything was, oh whoa. She really likes the sausages, guys. I really like my cucumber. Which one would you say is your favorite? Cucumber? Really? If you guys can't find mini cucumbers like this small, then you can do it with Persian ones. I feel like Persian cucumbers are a little easier to find. I feel like all 3 of this is like a really good summer panchan, and it's really good to just have in your fridge and take out so that you don't have to worry about cooking something up for dinner or for lunch or any of that sort. Grace is really hungry for some reason. We have 2 other side dish videos, so make sure to check that out, and we'll see you guys on our next video.